Zachary, you not supposed to take car apart till I film.
Oh.
Put it back together. Let's start over.
I'm about to put it back together.
Are you? Well, what we got here? Let's talk about this new ride in from Maryland.
Maryland?
Come all the way from Maryland.
All the way from Maryland.
Yeah.
Used to be a drag car back in the day.
Oh yeah. And he won some races too.
Championship, wasn't it? Some
Yeah.
type of...
Yeah.
So what we're doing is they come in together. It's had some quarters put on it and some other panels replaced. So therefore what we are doing is we're getting all of the panels lined up, try to get our gaps as close as we can get them. So the doors was a little off since the quarters have been put on. So in order to get the doors square, pretty much got this assembled front end because the way these hinges mount to the body, you can't get to them easily. So this is just the easier way. So we take those off, get our doors lined up to our quarters, to our rockers, make sure we got a nice even gap between the door and the rocker. If your door and your rocker gap is relatively close, then your alignment's going to be pretty much dead on beside your gap on the back. Now you might slide the door backward to the front, to the back to get your back gap right. But the main thing is making sure your door and rocker gaps.
Do you think it'll? Think it's going to go back to the metal shop?
I mean, it's a possibility. I've already seen some things where we're going to have to
If it don't
repair.
line up, you may have to weld inside into the door to make the gaps better, or what?
Yeah, well, see, like right here, this is a prime example. As you can go from here, so we got an open gap up top, and it gets narrowed down here at the bottom. And we got a nice even gap for the most part down here on the bottom from the door to the rocker. So we know that the door is square with inside the hole. So that's telling us that that quarter panel's not in there quite right. That edge is going to have to be metal work. We'll probably split it, put some, you know, weld all that back up, get the proper gap. Because this ain't going really show car, but we still want our gaps to be nice and all that.
Yeah.
So we got that we're gonna work with. You can see this side, he's coming here and he's finished that, which we're gonna take that out because we don't know what's underneath it. We want to make sure we're not putting our product on top of something that
So you're going back down to the metal.
Yeah, the whole thing's gonna be stripped. But on this side, you can see here that's the panel seam between the roof skin and the quarter. Basically what happens is this whole skin comes in that whole section. So you got the C-pillar here, the quarter panel, all one piece, and you got factory spot welds that attach these two panels together and attach your inner to the outer. So that's basically the seam we're going to expose on the other side.
You know what's funny about it? What? Is when he came and delivered the car, he was telling us that he did the metal work. He said, so if it's boogered up, ain't nobody to blame but himself.
Well, you know, you got to give people props, you know, that may not quite know exactly how to do it, but at least trying to give something a shot.
Yep.
To do it, because
Well, this side he had some kind of medical issue. I'm gonna say a stroke, but I may be wrong on that. So his hands are not as steady now. He did that side beforehand, and he did this side afterwards. So this side is a little worse than the other one.
yeah, but see, we've got this side pretty much square. See, look at that gap. That's almost about where it needs to be. Tight at the bottom, but you know. And another thing too, here's a little pointer. When your door's empty, no glass, no hardware, nothing in the door, you want that top edge to be slightly higher than your quarter panel, because once you get that thing loaded, it's going to sag a little bit.
Yep.
Just a little tech tip.
Hey y'all, I'm Miranda with Creative Rods. Don't forget to watch our new videos posted every Motor Monday at 7 p.m. If you're liking it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next week.